Hi, welcome to Story Stargazers. Today we're going to cook a 1700s breakfast. I learned the recipe from Townsends and Sons, and so let's do it. This is the bacon we're going to use, and you can use, this is thick bacon, and you can use 2 or 1 eggs, and then we're going to have some toast. So let's begin. So we're going to boil the water so we can put the eggs in it. It's going to actually be sunny side up, not boiled. I've never tried this, so I'm going to hope it's going to turn out good. So now we have to wait for the water to boil and the pan to heat up. To know when it's time to put the bacon on, you can do a little bit of water to see when it sizzles, it's time to put the bacon on. We're using a cast iron skillet from Cracker Barrel to cook the bacon. This bacon is from the Dearborn Sausage Company. We made 4 pieces. I'm going to go on right away. Now I'm just going to put on the last one. Use the fork to move it down. And now we'll wait. If you're cooking bacon on a stove, it's not the exact time when you take it off. You have to look at it and see when you think it's cooked all the way. These eggs come from the Rose Acres Farm. I'm going to crack them into this bowl and then pour them into the water. When you cover the bacon, it cooks faster. Okay, now we're going to see if it's time to cook it. Really good bacon. I really hope it really tastes good. It looks this color. That means that side's cooked. So you just have to wait for the other side to cook. Now we're going to put the egg on. This is the egg. So the yolk inside probably won't be hard. It will probably be yolky, and that's really tasty. When eggs yolky, it's very tasty. I love when it's yolky. So I cooked it for the second time, and it looks good. So I'm gonna put it on the plate. So that's all the bacon, and we're going to let it cool. When the bubbles are on it, do not touch it. It's very, very hot. This bread is Hillbilly bread from Flour Bakery, and you can use any type of bread. You don't have to use this brand. So now we're going to toast it. In the 1700s, they didn't have toasters, so they used a metal thing that had bread slots, and they put it next to a fire to toast it. And they actually used cast iron pans then to cook the bacon but they didn't do it on the stove. They did it on fire and coal. And there we go. Now the toast is done. I'm gonna bring it out and on the plate. I usually use the yolk from the egg and put it and dip it with the toast. Since I have two, I can put cherry jelly on one and use the other one for the yolk. This is the jelly we're using for it, and let's put it on some of the toast. When you're using this type of jelly, it's easier to use a spoon instead of a knife because it's harder to pick it up with a knife. It's hard to spread. This is cherry jelly from Cherry Republic. I really like this jelly, but the thing about the jelly is it's very hard to spread. So this is the salt I'm using. It's pink Himalayan salt, and I'm gonna put it on the egg. And you can also put pepper on it if you like pepper. And that's the meal. So the thing about this egg is it's littler than when you usually do sunny side up because most of the white goes onto the side of the pan. But it's very tasty. And the bacon is cooked all the way through. I just know toast tastes good. Can't go wrong with toast. This meal is very easy. Anyone can do it, not just adults. And it tastes really good. So make sure to watch the next video and make sure to comment and subscribe down below. Bye! It tastes so good.